A director I was consulting with always expected people to come to him. This guy really believed that no news was good news. Like a lot of senior level executives, he expected people to come to him, not vice versa. The problem was, no news was not good news. It was the opposite. Problems were not getting resolved. So he asked me to help him figure it out, why the company was not meeting its goals. Interestingly, he did not include his own team members in the discussion. Only me. So I told him he needed to spend more time on the floor, where the action was. Spend some time just listening to what's going on. We joined a meeting already in progress. The discussion was heated. Clearly, people in the meeting were not happy. When we walked in, everyone was shocked into silence. They had not seen this director outside of his office in months. After a few seconds, the director took my lead and told everyone to pretend he's not there and to continue their meeting. That's when something really interesting happened. Instead of ignoring the director's presence, one engineer used it as an opportunity. And he spoke up and out in a refreshingly straightforward manner. This engineer was not concerned about what his response might mean to him personally or professionally. It was an unusual behavior in this company. He told the director point blank that unless the organization invested in improving its products, 2 or 3 years down the road, the company would be dealing with recalls or even lawsuits. It took guts for this engineer to tell the director the truth. It was, unfortunately, rare behavior in this organization. In this case, the director responded very positively, even thanking the engineer for being so candid. I think it was the wake-up call he needed. In fact, he told everyone in the room, good enough isn't enough. They still had a long way to go, but it was a good first step. If you want to make a difference and be the difference, you cannot be afraid of the truth.